In this video, I'm going to share how you can earn $20 by just clicking on one button. It really is that simple. So in this video, what I'll do is I'll show you how this works. Now, this method today is absolutely free to get started with. It's available worldwide, and we're going to use a free piece of software that will help us do this when it comes to the clicking one button. So what do you not need? Well, you don't need any experience, you don't need skills, you don't need money, and you do not need to spend lots of time with this. This is a really simple way to start making some extra money online. And once you see how easy this is and just how this works with this one version, you'll be able to go off and find multiple more ways to make money with this. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll share with you how you can actually make more money with this method, and we'll also go over additional ways to earn money from this. Again, this is all using free tools. So let's jump into today's video and I'll share with you this really simple way to make some extra money online and from home. So let's jump into today's video and I'll share with you this really simple way to make some extra money online and from home. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at this method that you can use today to start making money online for free. And this come about purely because I was bored and I downloaded some app and I started playing around with it, and when I saw what the app created I got a little bit interested in this and I thought, I wonder if you can actually make some money from this, and lo and behold I went ahead and had a look online and I found people who are making money with this using this free app and software. So what is the app and how do you get all this set up? So if I come over here, this is the app and it's called the Pencil Photo Sketch / Sketching Drawing Photo Editor. It's a bit of a mouthful. You can see it's had over 130,000 downloads. Now how this works and where the one click comes into this, you upload your image and then you have these different filters you see along the bottom here. So this one here is a pencil sketch, and once you've uploaded your photo, you click it one time on any of these filters along here and it will change it or transform it into a pencil photo. And honestly, these photos that it creates, they're absolutely brilliant. I did about 4 or 5 of these with my daughter and my son and I'm really impressed with them. So how would you do this and how would you make money with this? Well, you'd come over here and you'd download this app here. Once you've got this app, and look, feel free to go ahead and see all of the reviews. This is, what has this got? What's that, about 4.4 rating, maybe? Come down here, but you can look, I'll drop, in fact, I won't drop a link to this below. Go and type in Pencil Photo Sketch into the Google Play Store or the App Store, and I'm sure you'll find this. And you can go and read through this, and you can see here, Pencil Photo Sketch is a pro color editing app to turn your photos into beautiful hand-drawn pencil sketches. This is the key word here, hand-drawn pencil sketches, and we'll come back to that in a second. If you scroll down here, you see simple and smooth, easy. It's incredibly easy to use. It is literally one click and you're done. Let's come down here, let's just go past all this. So it's currently got a rating of 4.4 out of 130,000 users, and look, you can go ahead and read all of the testimonials on here and all of the different reviews. So once you've got this, if we come back up here, so you remember this? Hand-drawn pencil sketches. How can you make money with this simple app on your phone? Well, let's go over to this website over here. This is Etsy.com, and all I've done in here is I've typed in photo to sketch, and if you click off here, look at this volume. Currently there are 18,100 people every single month who are searching for this search term, photo to sketch. So there's 18,000 people looking for this. So there is a huge demand for people who want their photos to be hand drawn and turned into a sketch. Now if I come down here, look at this. This one here, pencil sketch. They're charging £24.95 for this. Now I'm in the UK, so obviously this is UK pricing. This one over here, look, personalised pencil sketch, hand drawn, £24.95. We've got an image down here, so the photo, and the pencil sketch. Come further down, we've got another one here, £32, etc, etc. Look at this one here, £34, and you've got lots more on here. So how would you do this? So it's really simple. You come over to this app here, you download the app for free. Once you've got the app, you then come over to websites like Etsy, and look, there's many more of these. You can go over to this website over here. This is Fiverr.com, and look again, amazing realistic pencil portrait with a photo, £25. We've got another one over here, pencil portrait. Scroll further down the page, and you'll find many more of these. And this is just two websites. This is Fiverr.com, and we've also got Etsy.com. So you'd come over to these websites and you'd create an account for free, and you'd put your listings up on here. And it's really this simple. You put your listings up on here, and you put your prices on here, and obviously you put like a title, a description. And once you've done that and you get a sale, then all you do is the person who purchases from you, they send you their image. You take that image, you put the image into this app here, you click on portrait. Well, you've got these different filters along the bottom, as I mentioned. You've got portrait, you've got cartoons, you've got pencil sketch, you've got hand-drawn sketches. There's lots more of these different filters available. Once you've done that, you simply download the image and you send it to your buyer on Etsy or Fiverr or eBay or Amazon or wherever, and that's it done. It's so simple to do, and I promise you, this app over here, it's really simple to use. It's very easy, and the actual image that it creates for you, it's done so quick. So this is how I would start making money with this method. I would download the app from here. I would then go over to Etsy. I'd put listings up on Etsy. I'd go over to Fiverr. I'd go to eBay, Facebook, the Facebook marketplace, and all of these different places. I would then undercut the market. So all of these people on here were selling at $24.95, $24.95. What we've got up here, $31.36, and all of these. I'd undercut these drastically, and this is exactly how I ranked lots of products on eBay on the first page for different listings. I went on, I looked at a niche, found a product, and then I undercut the market. And the perfect thing about this is the app you're using, it's free, so it will just take you a little bit of time and effort. So go over to Etsy, create your listings, put them up, have a look at what everyone else is selling them for, and then undercut them all. Once you start getting some sales and feedback, and you start going up the rankings, and you start progressing to the ultimate spot, which is page 1, you then up your prices. But in order to get to page 1, you need to have sales and you need to get feedback. So undercut the market drastically, start getting some sales, and move up the rankings. Another thing that you can do is, if we go over to Fiverr, see this one here, I will draw a realistic pencil portrait from a photo. You see here, it's starting at £12.65. So let's go into this listing here. So you see up here, they've got basic, standard, and premium. So for the basic option here is, look, they will give you a what's this say? Face sketch on white background, A4 head and neck. Okay. Click on standard. The price, you see, the price was £12.65. Click on standard. It now goes to £25.31. If we then go to premium, it's now nearly £30. And again, what will you get? You'll get one figure, high res, background, full body, etc. So you can come down here and have a look and read what it says about this gig here. Go through and have a look at these. So how this works is, the basic package is the product, and then the standard is an upsell, and this one here is an upsell. So go and have a look at all of these, these different listings on Etsy and Fiverr, and see what they're offering as an upsell, and see if you can offer that additional upsell on here. So we've got Fiverr, we've got Etsy, as I've mentioned, Facebook Marketplace, many more of these different places. If you really wanted to, you could even go down the route of creating your own blog or website. But let me just show you this. If we take photo to sketch, let's take this and we'll go over to Google and have a little search of this. So we've got people doing YouTube videos. Let's come down here. what's this, photo sketch converter, turn your photos. Look, you've got more options on here. So if you didn't want to download this free app over here, you can actually go ahead and get software for this. So you can download software onto your computer or your laptop and then just start doing it this way. So there's so many different ways that you can make money with these free apps, and that is really that simple. So look, that is today's video. So how do you do this? Well, you go over and you get the software or the app, which is this one here, the Pencil Photo Sketch app. You then, once you've downloaded this, you go over to Fiverr, you go over to Etsy, you go on Facebook Marketplace, you go on eBay, Amazon, all of these different places, and you put your listings up on these marketplaces and you undercut all of the competition. Once you've undercut everyone and you start to get some sales in and you start to get some feedback and you start going up the rankings, you then increase your prices, and that's how you ultimately drive traffic and get onto page one of all of these different platforms. Because it's all good and well creating these apps and putting them on for creating these images and these listings and putting them on for £30, but if you're on page 5 or 6 and no one's seeing your your listings, obviously you're not going to earn any money. So how do you get your listing to the front of people? Well, you undercut the market and you start getting feedback and sales that way. So look, that's today's video. It's really simple, it's really easy, it's free to get started with. What will it cost? Nothing. It'll take some time and effort to do this, but again, simple, easy and free. So look, that's today's video. Please give the video a like if you found it useful. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave some comments down below for this, but I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.